Did you know that only male crickets chirp? If it's warm outside, they're gonna chirp very fast. The chirp is there to attract friends, and it also attracts predators, so they have to be careful. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're gonna draw and learn about crickets. You don't need very many supplies, just a pen or a marker, some colors, and a piece of paper. All right, let's draw. First we're gonna start with the eyes. Draw one circle, and then we're gonna draw the head so that we can connect the other eye. So from the middle of your eye, draw a little circle out, close it, and then about the same space we're gonna do the second eye. Now, let's do the eye pupils and the antennas and the mouth. Now we're gonna do the legs. So come back about an inch and we're gonna draw what looks like an upside down carrot for the hind legs. And then start back at the top. We're gonna come down a little bit lower. Connect it. And there's one leg. There are 900 species of crickets, and they can grow between 1 inch and 2 inches long. They only live up to about 90 days, which is 3 months. That's so crazy. You can find them under your trash cans, under rocks, under logs, and sometimes near plants. Now the body, so we can draw the other leg. So we're gonna come about below the eye, and this is where the wings sit. So we're gonna draw a line across and stop. And then we're gonna come a little bit below the smile and we're gonna close it to the side. So we're gonna do a little bit of a bowed line, connect it, and back to the top. Crickets have really strong hind legs or back legs. They can jump 50 times their body length. That's really far. They also have 4 wings that lay flat against their backs. Now we can do our back leg. So to make it look like it's behind, we'll start here at the top and we're gonna do the top of the carrot. And then draw your leg down. And this leg's gonna come back behind. Now the front legs, they're gonna come straight out and down. And the other leg's gonna be behind. And then the second set of legs goes the opposite direction. And behind. Now the belly or the abdomen will come a little bit below the chin again. And we're going to do our line all the way to the back. Don't draw in front of the leg. We're going to pretend like this is behind. So we're going to stop, pick it back up, and then continue. And you can draw some lines on the abdomen. Crickets will eat anything. They're essential for decomposition in the ecosystem. Whatever they eat, they recycle the nutrients back into the soil so that all the plants can grow. Right, now let's draw the wings. We're just gonna do a line along the back. Stop. And then if you want to draw some dots or any kind of designs, you can do that now. Crickets have compound eyes with a multitude of lenses, which means they have excellent eyesight. They're also nocturnal, which is why you mostly hear them at nighttime. Great job following directions. Now it's time to color. Enjoy the music and some more fun facts. And hit that like button if you are enjoying this art lesson. Crickets can camouflage, which is their most effective survival strategy. They can blend into their environment so that they can hide from their predators. Crickets have way too many predators to count. To name a few, snakes, frogs, tortoises, and in some parts of the world, people eat crickets. They're a great source of protein. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out last week's art class. Hit that subscribe button for new art classes and tag Fitz Art Clips when you upload a picture of your artwork. Can't wait to see what you create. See you next time.